create a trending viral niche video and earn maximum dollars in a month? I know your answer is yes. Many trending niches get millions of views and enjoy thousands of dollars every single month. In this video, I will tell you how to make this type of video, how to find the right niche, and how to earn real dollars from it. AI videos are rapidly becoming one of the biggest trends on the internet right now. From YouTube to social media, people everywhere are using artificial intelligence to create eye-catching, professional quality videos, and the demand is only growing. The amazing part, you don't need to be an expert editor or spend endless hours in front of a computer. With just a few simple tools and a few hours a day, you can start producing high-quality AI videos right from your home. And yes, it's absolutely possible to earn thousands of dollars every single month by doing this. So stay with me till the end and let's get started. In my past video, I told you about Canva features, like how Canva can create amazing AI scripts and AI pictures. It's amazing, I know. But you know very well it's so difficult. First, you generate a script in one app, then pictures in another app, then audio in another AI tool. Am I right? Yes, I'm right. In this video, I'll tell you about a website that has all these features in one place. I will solve your problem in this video, so please don't forget to watch till the end. First, go to Google and search for DupDub AI. Click on the first website and then log in with your Gmail ID. After login, click on the Studio section. You will see this interface with many features. Let's start trying all the features one by one. The first feature is AI Avatar. Click on it, then upload any avatar picture. After the picture is uploaded, on the right corner, just write what you want the avatar to speak. For example, I'm just writing anything. You can also upload any audio instead of using text. After the text is ready, click on Generate Talking Avatar. In just a minute, it will create an amazing talking avatar. And its lips sync perfectly with the words. It's an amazing feature. Now we are talking about the AI writing feature. In this feature, you can ask the AI to generate anything. For example, any prompt for a video, blog, ad, or script. It's super easy and fast. Let me show you. I click on YouTube, then click on Video Script, and just enter my topic. In just a few seconds, it creates an amazing, ready-to-use video script for me. You don't need to worry about what to write. The AI will do all the work for you. Whether you're creating content for YouTube, Instagram, or any platform, this tool will save you time and effort. You can generate high-quality, engaging scripts without any fear. It always gives you professional results. Now we are talking about a very important feature, the AI voiceover. Click on it and paste your audio script. Then choose any voiceover from the audio section according to your video style or language. Once you select the voice, it will generate amazing audio with clear and correct wording, automatically and instantly. The best part is, you can also use multiple voiceovers in one video. That means you can mix different voices to make your content more dynamic and engaging. It's an amazing feature. And the best thing? You don't need to go to any other paid website. Everything is available here in one place, easy and free to use. You can also use the voice cloning feature. Just upload any voice and the tool will clone it using your recorded voice. You can even paste a URL to clone a voice from an audio or video source. How cool is that? This feature is perfect if you want to keep your own voice in all your videos without recording again and again. It saves a lot of time and gives your content a personal touch. Whether you're creating content in your own voice or someone else's, this tool makes it super easy and realistic. It's truly an amazing feature, and again, no need to use expensive paid tools. Another amazing tool is the video translation feature. You can simply drag and drop your video, then select the original language of your video and the language you want to translate it into. This tool will automatically change the audio and the subtitles of your video to the selected language. Yes, it changes both, not just the text. It's perfect for reaching a global audience without recording the same video in different languages. You can choose from many languages and it works super fast. With this feature, you can watch or share any video in any language you want, with clear voice and accurate subtitles. It's a game changer for content creators and educators who want to go international. Now let's talk about another amazing feature, the AI image generator. Just enter your prompt, select the size of the AI image you want, and wait a minute. It will create a stunning, high-quality AI image for you. This feature is truly amazing. It generates HD quality images, even better than many paid apps out there. And the best part? You don't need to go anywhere else. Everything is available right here in this one powerful tool. As I mentioned earlier in this video, this platform provides everything in one place. Audio, scripts, images, video scripts, all ready to use, all powered by AI. Whether you're a content creator, educator, or marketer, this tool can save you hours of work and give you professional results in minutes. Now your audio script and images are ready. It's time to create a stunning image-to-video animation. For this, one of the best AI tools is Hallyu AI. This tool allows you to turn your static images into amazing HD animated videos with realistic movement and visual effects. Another powerful tool you can try is CArt.ai. It's an incredible platform that can generate full HD quality videos from images in just a minute. Whether you want cinematic motion, animated storytelling, or just a simple avatar video, these tools make it super easy. These AI video tools save time, reduce effort, and produce professional-level results. Perfect for content creators, storytellers, or anyone who wants to turn ideas into high-quality visual content without expensive software or editing skills. At the end, you can use CapCut for editing purposes. Just drag your video and audio into CapCut, add some smooth transitions, and adjust the video timing according to your audio. You can also add text to your video, or even better, use the auto caption feature. It generates amazing, accurate captions in HD quality, which makes your video more engaging and easier to understand for your viewers. So, the editing is done, everything is ready, now just export the video, save it, and upload it on YouTube to start earning dollars. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and like the video for more amazing content. See you in the next one.